What's going on, everyone? It's Josh from TradingPriceAction.com, and today for November 4th, 2013, we're going to be looking at a couple of currency pairs and a trade update for both my trades I'm currently in. As you know, for me over here in the United States, it's the first Monday of November, so let's make this a good trading month in November. Try to get some winning trades. So I'm going to give you a couple things to look at that you can be watching for in the first week of November and try to get some high quality trades in. First, I'm going to be looking at is the Euro US dollar on the 4-hour chart. Now, I highlighted this in the week ahead, and one of the scenarios I was talking about was for prices to bounce off the support zone, bounce off it, and then come back down and retest this area, this support zone, and then look for a bullish price action trade setup to go long. Now, the reason why I didn't take this pin bar right here, because that is a valid pin bar, it's a pretty good looking one. But the reason I didn't take this is because, as you can see, this major sell-off right here, it's going to be hard for this pin bar right here to reverse the market just like that. Ideally what we're looking for is for market after this big sell-off to come down, hit it, come up a little bit, come back down, and then go up. This way we get a double bottom right here, and also slows this downtrend up, and possibly could be getting into a new uptrend right here. So that's why we're looking for a bounce here, not just straight off it, and straight off this pin bar right here, straight off the first touch of the support zone. And that's why we're looking for a bounce and then up, because it gives us just a more high probability of it being successful, as this trend down won't be so strong, and it could possibly be the start of a new uptrend and be a great place to get in right here. And also, this is a great support zone. As I mentioned in the week ahead, I showed you why, but I mean, you have touches all throughout here. Excuse me. So then that's it for that currency pair. The next one we're looking at is a British pound Australian dollar on the 4-hour, and I'll be showing you on the daily, just to give a good look at it. Alright, see this line right here I marked as support and resistance. You can see there's touches right here, a wick touch right here, another wick touch right here, a little bit of resistance through here, 2 more wick touches. These right here are pretty close to it, so I'd still count those. We had some resistance right here, and then we have some more resistance right here, and then with this last daily bar, prices have closed below it. So now what we're looking for is for prices to come down a little bit, come back up, and retest this broken resistance turn support zone, or broken support turn resistance zone, and we're looking to sell short if a bearish price action trade setup forms right here. Now another good thing is it looks like it's beginning to downtrend. As you can see, downtrend, pull back, and then we're going to be looking for continue the downtrend, and then another pullback, and then continue the downtrend. So if we can get in right in this area right here, this would be a great place to get in, as the trend is still fresh. Now if you want to get in earlier and not wait for the daily charts and give you more possibilities of being able to enter this trade, we can look to enter on the 4-hour chart. As you can see, you can tell the resistance zone is still very strong. So as you can see right here, this bar closed below this support zone. Wicks are touching all throughout here. So this is a very strong support resistance zone. So, like I was saying, this bar here closed below the support zone. A couple bars have come down, and now we're going to look for them prices to come back up, just like I was talking about on the daily chart. But this on the 4-hour chart is going to give you a couple more. If prices do pull back, it'll give you more chance to enter a trade, and for more chances for a bearish price action trade setup to form right in this area. Now if we zoom out a little bit, you can see clearly this is in a downtrend, starting from way up here and have continued down. But if we do enter this trade in this area right here, we have to be careful of this area right here, as this looks like the low of the recent low of this market. So if we enter right here, we got to be careful of this line right here. All the way down there, that's, let's see, that's still 170 pips, so that's great profit right there even with that. But I'm just saying, if we do enter, make sure you watch out for this area right here. That's it for the possible trade scenarios. Now I'm going to be taking a look at my 2 trades I'm in, just giving a quick update, as neither one of them has hit the take profit level, so I haven't given an official update on my site, but prices have been moving around quite a bit, so I've just decided to give a quick update on each one of them. So the first one is on Australian dollar, Canadian dollar daily chart, and if you remember, entered on this sandwich trade setup right here, and the entry goes right here, and I have this red line right below the entry is my stop loss, which I moved down from, which was up here, and I moved it down to my first take profit, or to my entry level. So it's a risk-free trade. But with this recent bar right here, we have a very big bullish bar that's formed recently, and I'm hoping this is just a pullback, and then prices are going to continue down. And if we look on the 4-hour chart, we can see that we can spot some resistance that it could be hitting right here. You can see there's resistance over here, wick touch, and then all through here. It looks like this could hit up here, and prices are now going to continue down. That's ideally, and as you can also see, I don't usually follow trend lines, but as you can see, we do have a possible trend line that's forming right here. So we got to watch for that. Also, ideally what I'm going to be looking for in this next 4-hour bar right here is for a sandwich trade setup right here. This would confirm that prices are going to continue downwards. So you can see strong support resistance zone. If this bar comes up a little bit right here and then closes down here below this inside bar, that'll be a sandwich trade setup, and that'll be great confirmation for us that the trade is going to continue downwards. So as of right now, prices are up. I'm up about 40 pips, but the next take profit level is all the way over 100 pips away. So we got some ground to make up on this trade, and I'm hoping that's continue down. And I would predict that it would, as it looks like it's getting stopped right here at this resistance zone. So watch for prices to continue down. That's what I'm going to be looking for. And then if you look at my other trade, the New Zealand dollar US dollar, we can see that I entered on this pin bar right here. Let me delete this. I entered on this pin bar right here, and since then, the next bar entered the trade for me, but then closed back down. And since then, price have been right around the entry level, right around this support zone right here, right around the entry level support zone. So I mean, this trade's not moving much, but if we take a look, we can see that since the market opened on Sunday, prices have continued up a little bit. And I mean, this pin bar is formed right here, but it looks like it's getting stopped again by this little pin bar right here is rejecting a small support zone right here on the chart. So what we're looking for here is this pin bar, or this pin bar that's formed so far. What we're looking for is a bear to continue up. And as you can see, I mean, this is in a slight uptrend, so the prices do look like they're starting to go up. Now, from where prices are right now, I'm about 56 pips away from my first take profit level, and 94 pips away from my stop loss. So I mean, prices are just hovering right around entry right now, and I would like it to move up faster than it has, but prices look like they're beginning to move up right now. So that's why I'm staying in this trade, and I'm expecting it to hit the next take profit level within the next day or two. So that's it for today's currency spotlight. Hope you guys took notes on the 2 trade scenarios that I provided, and then I just gave you guys a quick little update on the 2 trades I'm in. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys leave a comment, let me know what you guys think. Until tomorrow's currency spotlight, safe trading, and I'll talk to you guys soon.